Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In this video, we will be solving the first problem in exercise number 1.4. If you check out my playlist, playlist, you'll be able to find out all the previous examples and exercise problems. The video link is in the description box below. To check it out, it would be helpful for you. Now we can see this question. That is, determine whether the graph given below represent functions. Give reason for your answers concerning each graph. This problem is same as my previous problem, that is example 1.10. I have uploaded in my previous video. The video link is in the description box. Check it out. So if you know that concept, if you know the previous problem, you'll be able to solve these problem easily. So here we have to check each and every graph is a function or not. We were given 4 graphs. Okay, we have to check whether each graph is a function or not. Here the main concept is, for example, if you're taking this first graph, we have y-axis and x-axis. The vertical line test, we have discussed about vertical line test. Using vertical line, we can check out whether the graph is function or not. In previous problem, that vertical line is given explicitly, but in this problem, that is not given. So we are going to consider this y-axis as a vertical line. Okay, in each and every graph, we are going to consider this y-axis as a vertical line. So notice the concept. If this y-axis intersects the shape, the graph. Okay, we can say graph. Okay, this y-axis intersects the graph in 2 points, more than 1 point. That is not a function. If it is exactly only 1 point, then it is a function. Okay, here this y-axis intersects this graph in 2 points, right? Here 1 point, here 1 point. So this graph is not a function. If it is only 1 point, means we can say this is a function. Here we have 2 points. Okay, for the solution, you have to write this this first graph is not a function. Why? Because this y-axis intersects this graph in 2 points, so that it is not a function. Okay, and next one, second one. Here we have x-axis and y-axis, and we have the graph like this. Okay, here this y-axis intersects this graph in only 1 point. So this graph is a function. Okay, it is intersecting in only 1 point, so that we can say this graph is a function. Okay, for the solution, you have to write this second graph, this number is a function. Why? Because this y-axis intersects this graph in only 1 point, so that this graph is a function. Okay, and next one, third graph, we have x-axis, y-axis, and we have S-shaped graph, right? So here this y-axis intersects this graph in how many points? 1, 2, 3 points. Okay, the meeting point of y-axis and this graph is 3 points. So it is not a function. For the solution, what you have to write? This graph, third graph, is not a function. Why? Because this y-axis intersects this shape in 3 points. 1, 2, 3. So that this function, this graph is not a function. Okay. And here, fourth one. In fourth graph, we have x-axis and y-axis, and one graph is this kind of line is there. Here, this y-axis intersects this graph in only one point. Graph means this line. I'm telling graph as this line only. Okay. So this y-axis intersecting this line, this graph in only one point. At this point only, these two lines are meeting, right? The meeting point of y and this shape is, this line is only one. So that this is a function. For the solution, what you have write? What you have to write? You have to write this graph 4 is a function. Why? Because this y-axis intersects the line in only one point. So that this is a function. Okay. This is all about the solution of problem number 1 in exercise 1.4. Well, this much I had in this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, give the thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques. We'll see you in another video. Till then, bye, take care. Thanks for listening.